In 2026, there will be mainly two types of YouTube creators. The first group will still be struggling in front of the camera, worrying about lighting, setup, and confidence. The second group will be making money without ever showing their face because they understand how the YouTube algorithm actually works. Here's the truth. YouTube doesn't care about your face. The algorithm cares about one thing: retention. And retention comes from strong scripting, smart structure, and engaging editing. So today, I'm going to show you 5 faceless YouTube channel ideas that aren't just ideas, they're complete earning blueprints. If you execute them properly, these niches can explode in 2026. But before that, let's clear up one thing. Why haven't most people started a YouTube channel yet? No camera, no confidence. What will people think? Those aren't real obstacles anymore. They're excuses. In 2026, AI tools and basic editing skills give you a huge unfair advantage. Once you understand the YouTube system, you can grow even faster than creators who show their face. So let's jump into the first faceless niche that can dominate in 2026. Storytelling content never dies, only the format changes. You can create different types of videos in this niche: short horror stories, dark facts, mystery narrations, crime breakdowns. All of this content is highly addictive. Why? Because the human brain naturally reacts to suspense. When viewers finish one video, they immediately want another. That pushes your watch time higher. And the process is actually simple. Step 1. Write a powerful script. You can use ChatGPT or other AI tools to help, but never copy everything exactly. Add your own human touch. Step 2. Voiceover. You can either use realistic AI voices or your own deep narration style. Step 3. Cinematic B-roll. Dark visuals, slow zooms, tension-building sound effects. Step 4. Subtitles. Highlight keywords to keep attention locked. Storytelling channels usually get solid RPMs. Long-form videos perform well with ads, and you can also earn through affiliate links like books, apps, and online courses. Now let's move to the next channel idea. Young people in the US want to make money, but most financial content feels overly complicated. If you can explain things in simple language, credit card strategies, beginner investing, side hustles, online income breakdowns, scam exposure videos, you'll be creating evergreen content. And the format is extremely easy. Screen recordings, simple graphics, voiceover, and you're done. No face required. The biggest advantage of the finance niche is high CPMs. The same number of views can generate much higher revenue. But remember one important thing. Don't make fake get-rich-quick content, like make $1,000 in one day. Those videos may go viral fast, but they destroy trust just as quickly. Build credibility and play the long-term game. Now let's talk about another powerful niche. Motivational content is still huge, but basic motivation no longer works. Modern motivational videos need fast cuts, zoom effects, glitch transitions, dynamic subtitles, and beat-synced editing. In 2026, editing itself becomes the hook. The structure is simple. Grab attention within the first 2 seconds, build emotion, use intense background music, and end with a strong emotional punch. These channels grow especially fast through shorts. You can also repost the same content on platforms like Instagram and TikTok for additional reach. But consistency matters. Uploading daily builds trust with the algorithm. Now let's discuss another massive opportunity. Every single week, new AI tools are launching, and most people are confused. The creator who explains them in simple terms will grow rapidly. You can make content around AI tools for students, free AI video editing apps, ways to earn money using AI, automation software in 2026, and productivity tools. The production process is simple. Record your screen, explain the process clearly step by step, add clean editing, and upload. Competition in this niche is still relatively low in the US, and brands actively reach out for sponsorships and tool promotions. Now let's move to the final category. Human psychology content is incredibly addictive because people love understanding human behavior. You can create videos about why people lie, psychology of attraction, reading body language, manipulation tactics. This type of content gets strong watch time and usually grows fast because viewers stay curious until the end. Now, here's the real truth. Your channel idea is not the most important thing. Consistency is. Pick one niche, upload videos every day for 30 days, test different thumbnails, and aim for at least 40% audience retention. If your first month feels difficult, that's completely normal. YouTube rewards consistency more than perfection. So now the question is, in 2026, do you really need a camera, or do you just need to understand the system and work smarter? And tell me in the comments, what type of channel are you planning to start?